show you all things in the science park. Come on, guys. See this. This is the vertical pendulum. Hold the string by one hand to keep pendulum bob at a particular height, and the set pendulum motion by their other hand. Observe the time of period of its oscillation. See, guys, here. You have to hold this and keep this. It is true. When I am doing like this, it is going through. But again I believe that is going hard. That is the difference pendulum. Lever reduce effect. Observe the equal weights are placed at the end. 3 levers. Press the level hands one by one. The lift the weights. Note that it's easier to lift the weight when the arm of the lever side gets longer. Levers help in lifting large load with less effect. See this. This is more. Some more. This is not anything.